Hello and welcome back. This is Amin, top rated digital marketing specialist. This is a complete playlist of local SEO. In the local SEO, Google My Business Profile is highly important and the first priority. So, if your Google My Business Profile rank, then you will get phone call, and website is the second part. So, in the local SEO, Google My Business Profile is so important. So we should use every part. We should use every section to optimize our Google ad with our relevance keyword. Okay. So in this lesson, I will discuss GMB questions and answers. Okay. So if you my Google My Business Profile, then here you can see questions and answer section. You can ask questions and you can give a answer. Okay, so if you use this platform, I will show you how to use, but it is also important factor to optimize your Google My Business Profile. So utilize this feature and optimize your Google My Business Profile, because you should use every part to optimize your Google My Business Profile. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is a very short video. I'm not trying to make it longer. Please subscribe my channel if you want to be a local SEO specialist. Thank you so much for watching this video.